Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. So guys, how's life treating you? Mine's a damn mess. Anyways, I'm sending positive vibes out to y'all. So guys, we have got some of the choice items for the Ipsy Standard February box or bag or whatever you want to call it. You know, it's a bag, box, whatever. So, of course, you know, since these are choice items, these are also spoilers. So anyways, guys, if you're excited for this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, hit the subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on. That way you don't miss none of these spoilers, guys. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup-related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now, let's read the first comment from my last video, which was another spoiler for the BoxyCharm February Premium Box. Congratulations, Pauline Lang. Pauline says, hi, Mandy, I'm first. Well, yes, you are, my love. Man, you're quick with that. Thank you so much for having your bell on, and I really appreciate it, girl. Thank you so much. I love you. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now, stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. All right, guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now, again, this is for the Ipsy February Standard Bag. So first, I'm going to show you the bag. And they have already put out so many spoilers that I'm not going to name them all, y'all. There's too many of them for me to write down to have to look back at. So I'm just going to pop them up here on the screen so y'all can see all of them. Now, again, since these are choice items, these are also spoilers. So these are the items that they wanted you to choose in between. You know, you get to choose a product every month. So I think that's real fun and exciting. This is something new that they started. And I really do like it. You know, everybody should be able to pick at least one of their products, you know, so they know that at least one thing they're getting is something they might like, you know, if it works. But again, since these are choice items, these are also spoilers, so y'all be looking out for these. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know, I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's link below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Crystal Grady. Crystal says so close to being first. That's all right, Crystal. You got 1 in 2 chances, honey. Never know what comment I'm going to pick, and today I picked yours, Chris. I really appreciate you coming by and watching. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. Trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, well, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.